pop it off. It's like a hubcap. It's a weird looking wheel.
Comes with the luggage?
Oh, for 180 grand it should.
Yes.
Wow.
This is BMW XM luggage.
This actually has the charger in there.
It's crazy.
Why is that crazy?
The like crazy suitcase. Oh, it has the pillow chest. Nice.
Let's bring this down and show you what this weird thing looks like. The new BMW XM.
It's crazy.
I don't know what to think of it. I mean, it's a very weird looking car. BMW wanted to go really, you know, when like car designers design cars, concept cars, and you're like, they're never gonna release that, and then they like change it all up and it comes down, it's a little bit more bland. This thing is like a concept car that is released. That's how weird it is. Look at the exhaust tips. I don't know what to call that shape. It's like BMW's own shape. It's not a hexagon, it's not an octagon, I don't know what that is. Quad tips. Look at the taillights, they're all black, like the new Range Rover as well. There's no color on the taillights. I think that's going to be a new thing for all the newer cars, to not have that red, you know, whole back end. So it's black. This car is like a dark blue color, so it's hiding the taillights. We're going to be wrapping this. We'll talk about that later, but we're going to be wrapping it. As you can see, the emblem is weirdly out of place. It's not in the middle, it's on the side, and it just looks weird over there.
The weirdest thing on this car is the back glass.
Yeah.
I think if they put a spoiler, do a little bit.
Yeah, let's not talk about the etched BMW on
This is
it,
crazy
on both sides.
I thought he was going for that.
Yeah,
It's-
me
it's
too. You
loaded.
instead you wanted a roof spoiler, but there's a lot for this car that you could do. Like for instance, the taillights like stick out from the car. But yeah, this is weird. It's etched on. You can't get rid of that. So good luck with that.
The good thing of this, the car is 23-inch wheels. Crazy wheels.
Yeah, well, most new cars are all coming with 23-inch wheels.
Unique design wheels.
Sadly, these tires, like the Urus, are very expensive and very hard to get. So Pirelli needs to like step it up with their 23s, of course. It's got a lot of black accents. You can't tell right now because the car is dark color. We're going to be wrapping it a lighter color. But this car has so much black on it. This whole entire rear is black. This is black. It even has a window mold that comes underneath the windows and actually goes on the doors.
But this
So
is
it's
the
like-
weirdest molding I ever
Yeah,
seen.
it's
on
like
the
a
car.
window to door molding. So that's all black. This is going to be very
You
tough
notice
to
that they
deal with.
copied this from the Cullinan?
Cullen doesn't have this.
Cullinan does have this kind of shape.
No, it does not. These BMW mirrors have been kind of the same shape for the last 10 years, probably.
In 5 years.
Yeah, they look like M5 mirrors. Door handles are weird. I mean, there's like a weird design to it, and it like sticks out like that. I don't know what to think about these
It's
wheels.
like a compass.
Yeah, I don't know what they were thinking with that one. The middle is not a floating cap. That one, luckily, we have it straight, but it's not a floating cap. It's kind of like a hubcap that covers the lug nuts. So weird, and then it has like this gunmetal-y weird stuff. We're gonna just black it out. Customer doesn't want to do wheels for now, but we're gonna leave these and black them out for him. And then we come to the massive front end.
The front is crazy.
I think it's pretty cool. Honestly, it's got weird shapes going on, like a square over here, massive grille. As you can see to the shape of my hand, it's massive. I think the grille is not bad though. I kind of like it. It has the dual headlights, which is what BMW's been going through, like the 7 Series. Even the Rolls-Royce Spectre is coming with this dual situation, and I don't know. We gotta get used to that. It kind of looks like odd, but I like with every new car, your eyes are gonna get used to it. I think so. The interior is pretty cool. I'll give it up to them on that. They have this headliner that's all futuristic. As you can see, the colorway, it's like a, I don't know what to call this color, teal with brown.
Yes.
So I heard this is all made out of like olive leaves or something like that.
This is the new BMW
Maybe.
color.
But yeah,
It is.
crazy weird seats and brown Alcantara around the headliner. But I mean, look at this thing. I don't know if the camera captures, but it has like these diamond shapes going on, and it has lighting all around it. So it is not glass or anything. It's just a very crazy designed roof. Little M-colored seat belts, carbon fiber still pretty much everywhere. Even the door panel is silver, brown, and teal. So It's pretty cool. It has a brake-in period, so we cannot tell you how fast it is or whatnot. It feels like it has some power though.
But
So
just feel the new Bauer and Wilkins sound system
you
speakers.
can't, how are they gonna feel
No,
the
right
sound
there.
system?
If you just come
What?
this side, you can like see it.
What? It's just
crazy.
a plate. Bauer Wilkins.
Bauer and Wilkins sound system. Inside is crazy.
Inside's nice. It's very like soft too. The whatever this is, leather or olive leaves, but very
this
soft.
car has more horsepower than my car. This was like 644 horsepower, 4.1 second. But they coming out with a red label. It's gonna be 738 horsepower with 3.7 seconds.
Yeah, that seems pretty crazy for this car, honestly. But it's four-wheel drive, just like most of the BMWs now, and it drives nice. You know, it's hybrid, of course, so you could be in electric mode, you could be in whatever you want. But pretty cool car. Sarkis is excited. He still likes his G-Wagon more, right, Sarkis?
To be honest, I like this car. The only thing is just the back part is killing it.
The rear.
Yes, the rear part.
The
they
rear
just-
part. So we're
they
gonna
messed
be.
it up on it.
Let's tell them what we're doing to this car. We're gonna be wrapping it that Urus Performante color, which we're also doing that Range Rover Widebody project. Everybody's been kind of talking about that wrap color, and we're doing it on this thing too.
This
So
is
I think
be
it's
one
gonna
of
look
the
cool.
First one we're gonna wrap. I
I've
didn't see any car.
I've seen BMW release them in like cool matte colors, but I haven't seen anybody wrap it or do anything.
Yeah.
I wish we were doing wheels and lowering and stuff like that, but customer just wants to keep it basic, doesn't like the dark color, and wants to do a lighter color.
But
so.
what do you think? Can you fit like 26s on this? I have 24 if you
26s,
can.
man. 24 is easy, obviously. 26s I would never put on this. 26s I would not really put on any car because of two reasons. One, the tire. There's no good brand tire. There's no Pirellis. Pirelli's discontinued that 26-inch tires. Pirelli, if you
24s.
listen to us, please make the 26s. But 24s, very good tires. So keep it 24s. But yeah, hope you guys like it. Give us maybe a week, something like that, to wrap this car up, and we'll show you guys the final job.
Crazy BMW first XM being wrapped.
So your customer?
Yeah, it is.
Back seat more comfortable than the Jeep.
The G-Wagon backseat, it's stupid. I don't know why they made a backseat there. It's not comfy at all.
I don't know what I mean.
But this inside color is crazy.
No, I think they have a thing. The key is a card, like the Teslas.
No, that's for the
Digital key.
yeah.
Oh, okay, exactly what I said.
No, I mean like you cannot start the engine
Why
with
not?
this. I don't know.
Where's
This is
the
what I-
key? Here?
Yeah.
Okay, get the key and run away. Go run away.
I can't.
I can't run.
All right, he's far enough now. Let's see if it starts with this. Damn it, he's right. What is the point of this digital key?
No, that way.
Why does BMW do everything backwards, man?
Wait, now you can start the car.
Okay, but what's
Hey,
the
look,
point?
they came out with the screen, but the gauges
Sucks.
yeah sucks.
But
what's the
gauge
point of that
sucks.
key?
But see, even the
What's the point of the key?
even Mercedes, you can't change the gauges. You can go old school, you can go new, but BMW they didn't make anything like you can.
There's a lot of
change the
noises
old school
going on.
one.
How do you like turn the engine on, man? It's on.
It's not.
Sounds like a video game.
Yeah, it is. This color.
You want to go get the exhaust sound for them?
All right.
No, it's gonna sound better. Breaking vehicles, it's gonna sound more.
Sounds like it's not in sport mode or something.
Yeah, because the braking, it's have to be braking point, and then it sounds better. Much. But it's not bad. 644 horsepower XM.
How much is X6M?
This one starts from 159,000.
I'm saying the horsepower on the X6M is what?
This is X6M. This is 644 with 4.1 second. But there is a red label. It's gonna be 738 horsepower with 3.7 seconds. That's gonna be a Urus killer. 100% gonna be a Urus killer. I think I'm still gonna stick with X6M. Best SUV
It's not
so
worth
far.
the price.
No. I think they're overcharging this car. I think XM looks much better, and it's faster than this. even from the red label too.
I don't think anybody cares about BMW that much.
I know nobody was even looking at it on the street.
This is
Kind of
like,
blends in.
Yeah.
it's a very oddly shaped car, but honestly, it's gonna grow on everybody, I think, and we'll see how it does. It's how much the sticker on this car was
150 no,
150,
For-
148 or something.
150.
Like
It starts from 159, but he has expensive interior. Yes, interior is
So, yeah,
expensive on
it's-
this.
It's not a cheap car, guys, but every car is kind of.
This was like
in that range,
189,
though.
no?
Yeah, I think he paid a little over
Yeah.
sticker. He paid like 20 grand over sticker
Yeah.
because it's still a hard to get car, I
Yeah.
believe. So
Just back.
those wheels are throwing it off for me big time. It cheapens it a little bit. They should have done something more
Crazy, yeah.
luxury, clean design wheels. The wheels are throwing it off. But let's try to fix this car.
Yeah, we should make sure the customer tries to get a new wheels too. Okay, I'm okay if you do the shirt. If you give me a wheels.
Fuck you.
Oh, we're gonna do the shirt, and then I'm gonna not give you anything.
Why don't you just release the shirt on your own, Sarkis?
No,
Because you'll get sued in 10 seconds.
no.
Hey, don't forget to subscribe and like the video. And also, if you have any comments, good or bad, leave it below. All right? So, see you on the next one. Haha.